So we're going to go for a walk to Gunnamatta Beach because it's Gunnamatta. That is really going to matter one day. That Gunnamatta Beach is gonna matter.
Nice little surf area though.
Yeah. There's someone swimming out there. Madness. Anyway.
About 23 degrees now.
Back to BerT.
Might be about 20.
Yeah. Back to BerT. And probably the end of the day, I think. Work out something for tea. Back to the van. Kick the feet up. Catch you next time.